I will choose. Hi everyone, today I want to show you something about is spectacle corrector in Excel. How to insert video picture in Excel. I will do the I1. This first we go to insert web text. After we have one box like this, I have 3 items. This inside 3 items have so many. You can choose something about. Today I will show you about which I do projects I love you. How to put inside the box. I do something like this. I got to insert. I will do something with this project. I love you. This the same have many. We can choose something about. This round the same. I will choose one set example. I will insert. So I zoom base. I want to see we already completed the first process. I love you. I want to show you about how to insert file, how to insert video picture in Excel. We go to insert hyperlink. We have one box. This we will choose something about this inside box. I will show you how to do something this. Example, I want to post one file here. I go to insert as hyperlink. So we have one box. Now we choose something about inside. I will choose one thing. Okay. So I already have inside one file. I will open later. So I show you how to put the picture inside Excel. Example I want to put here. I go to insert. I go to picture. Add from file. So many pictures. I want to choose 2 pictures or 1 picture or a lot of pictures. Even up here. I want to put this picture. Hey, girl, so beautiful. I want to put small picture. I this here. Oh my god, so beautiful, yay! I want to see this girl and it's very different. Next, I want to put one picture here, small. I want to insert picture. Oh my god, I want to choose one picture, so a lot of picture. I want to choose here. Oh, this baby. Wow, this baby. Beautiful, this baby. This I also can do something. You can take here. Because small picture, even W. Hey, I want to show you before I add one file in Excel. I want to open this. I want to see.
Chào tất cả mọi người. Hôm nay là 22 tháng 3 năm 2024.
This file I already added inside this video.
Video bóng đá nước nhà.
I put here when you want to open so can.
Đội tuyển Việt Nam hiện tại là ông huấn luyện viên PDQC. Xin hãy tiếp tục.
Okay, so we completely how to archive the video, the picture. Hi everyone, thank you so much for attention. Your subscription or encouragement. See, you need to next. Help me to like, share, and please subscribe my channel. This life needs a lot of love. Let's small parts in peace words. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Thank you so much.